Good evening, ma'am. My name is Vincent Daniel A. Sumayo, and my chosen topic is digital communication. So, what is digital communication? Digital communication is the process of transmitting information through digital devices in media, such as smartphones, computers, and the internet. It includes text, video, audio, and multimedia formats, allowing for versatile and instant communication across distances. Common example includes email, video calls, and social media interaction, and multimedia presentations. The form of communication is fast, accessible, and adaptable, making it essential for personal, educational, and professional exchanges in the modern world. What importance of digital communication? First is enhance connectivity. It means digital communication bridge gaps by connecting people, organization, and system across distances, fostering relationship and collaboration. Second is facilitate and real-time communication. It means it allow instant interaction through emails, messaging app, and video calls, making communication quicker and more efficient. Third is enable global collaboration. It means teams across the world can work together seamlessly using digital tools like video conferencing, cloud sharing, and project management apps. Fourth is empowers businesses and individuals. It means digital platforms provide opportunities for growth, innovation, and access to information, enabling better decision making and outreach. Type of digital communication: email, social media, video conferencing, instant messaging, blogs, and website. Key components: devices, smartphones, computer, tablets, medium internet, circular networks, context, image, audio. These are advantages of digital communication. First is cost-effective communication. It means digital tools like email and messaging reduce expenses compared to traditional methods like postal mail and physical meeting. Second, instant access to information. It means information is available anytime through online platforms, making learn and decision making faster and easier. Third is wider audience reach. It means digital communication enables global outreach, connecting individuals and businesses to a broader audience. Fourth, customizable and interactive. It means message can be tailored to specific audiences with interactive features like polls, video, and real-time feedback, enhancing engagement. Example and trends. Rise of AI in communication like ChatGPT. Next is video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and last is social media marketing. These are the conclusion of digital communication. Digital communication is essential in today's world, balancing technology use and addressing challenges in critical. Thank you, ma'am. That's all.